was a couple months ago. This candle in particular, right here. 123 years old. Go figure. My mind was thinking 70s, 80s like the owl maybe. It took me forever to really understand the bottom, or believe the bottom. But it's true. 1897, US Glass Delaware. Large. So when I was searching for this, I still can't find any. The only way I got lucky was typing US Glass Delaware 1897. I couldn't find no candles made by them. So I start looking at all their glassware of that circa 1899. First one I saw was like a white glass, and it matched this like woohoo. It's got the broken eggshell pattern on the top and bottom, the same leaves that they're kind of like 3D like, kind of poke out the side a little bit, little flower. Same exact pattern. I had to get this. It just came in today. I've been waiting to do this video for this. Just seeing the bottom of this. When I saw that angle, I was like, that's what I'm looking for right there. Ta-da! Pretty cool. Notice the eggshell pattern on the top and bottom. And the leaves kind of stick out a little bit. Protrude out. It's got the same flower. Isn't that something? Time for a little stop motion, huh?